So I set up my office today to kind of show what our capabilities are here at Print It Now 3D, showing the equipment that we have for printing. You know, a few of the items we've already made. Some will be going online here shortly for sale. Our jewelry items, which I'll be uploading some pictures of. A couple of printers here. You know, this is kind of the workspace. Not real big. You know, we're a home-based business, but we can do quite a bit. I mean, really anything you have ideas on, or if you see something on Thingiverse that you like, or just have an idea and want to talk about it, and you're looking to have something printed, we can do that. We have multiple materials, multiple colors, you know, all kinds of things we can do to help. Our website is printitnow3d.com. It's, you know, the https://www.printitnow3d.com. Once again, just kind of showing you an overview of what we got here. Here's my toolbox. Luckily, I'm not in it all the time having to fix things, but there's my bin of spare parts for my printers, so that anything that happens, I can fix them on the spot. There's really nothing I don't have to fix a printer, and I do all that myself. Once again, show you the kind of the look here of what we do. The materials. I got a little shot of my business card here, or our business card. I'll even go into kind of opening up the little closet here where we got, you know, all the kind of other stuff sitting here. More materials, even flexible filaments. Some materials here. I actually got parts for a couple 3D printers I'm in work on building. An old Darth Vader helmet. Still needs some work and some painting. Extra heat beds for the printers. Really, I don't really know what else to show you. I mean, we definitely be posting more videos on, you know, some of the prints, some of the things we do. Got cameras for each printer, video cameras. So I can actually, if you want something printed, I can even send you a link so that you can watch your part being printed, which is pretty interesting. Haven't had to do it yet, but I can do it should somebody want that. Once again, that's pretty much it. I'll be expanding some more. Like I said, I have two printers I'm building right now. If you got any questions, look at our website. Get the Facebook page, Print It Now 3D. Instagram, Print It Now 3D. YouTube, just a few videos on YouTube. Haven't done much with that yet. To be honest with you, I'm 44 years old, and my son is the one that kind of takes care of all of that stuff for me, because he knows all of that. And any of you who are in your 40s like me know that when we were kids, we didn't have, well, we didn't even have the internet, honestly. So, love doing this kind of stuff, but he's great with everything else. So, hey, thanks for taking a look at the video here and some of the things we've done. Appreciate it. Once again, printitnow3d.com. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, the website. Check it out. Email us. A lot of things we can do for you to help you out. Thanks. Have a great day.